What's up, Discount Divas and Dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, we are going to be seeing nothing but laundry. Today, Family Dollar, which is Wednesday, had a 5 off 25. I know I'm getting this video out late, but Saturday is rolling around and they're going to have another 5 off 25. So if you like some of these deals, you can do them Saturday. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these laundry deals. Okay, y'all. First off, Family Dollar 5 off 25 Wednesday. I got these Gain Flings and the Tide Pods. They were $9.97 each, still on sale. And with the 5 off 25 coming off, made all three of these $24.91 and made each one $8.30 each. I don't feel you can get no cheaper than this unless they had coupons attaching to these, but they don't. So, yeah. And I think stores may vary. I don't know, because every store I go into, if I see these, they are ringing up $9.97, and it's the Gain Flings 42 count, the original ones, and the Tide with Downy 25 count, because they do have a 32 count in those, but it's the 25. And I think it's older and Oxy Tide one too, the 25 count. So be on the lookout for those at your local Family Dollar. Let's get into the next laundry transaction. Okay, y'all. Next transaction I did was on the Gain Plus. It is on sale for $13.50. I had a 5 off Unilever coupon on my app to where I would save $5 on any item in the store. So I decided to pick up one item with that coupon before I clip my 5 off 25, so I can make sure I get my 5 off. And it made this $8.50. And here is my receipt right here, showing $8.50. That $5 Unilever coupon came off, and this was $13.50. And how I got that $5 is when you spend 15 or more on Dove products, they give you 5 off your next trip. And like I said, use that coupon with caution, because sometimes they will not give it to you. And I literally fought them a month and some days to get compensated, and how they compensating me is sending me out a mailer or a gift card, because I had did a spend 30 save 10 later, and then that Unilever, which I never gotten. So it took them a month for me to just be like, can you just do this or do that? I had to actually ask them, because they kept on giving me a generic response saying that they still working on it, this and that. And I just asked for it, and they said they'll mail it out. Haven't got it checked, because this was just a couple of days ago. But like I said, for those spend now, save later coupons at Family Dollar, be careful when using those, because sometimes you just won't get your stuff back. Okay, let's get into the next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my next transaction. And if anybody remembers some months ago when they had all of that laundry stuff on clearance at Family Dollar, well, out there at Family Dollar, y'all, they still have those items, like these 45 low gains. They are $6, and the 98 loads Gain fabric softener $6, y'all. So I was like, maybe I can grab all of these and get 5 off 25. So she rung up 4 of the detergents because I had that in my bass cart, the softener. And she was like, I wasn't at the limit to get the 5 off 25. So I added that $6 fabric softener. $5 came off, and the total was $25 even for all of these detergents and fabric softener, y'all. And these are like, these at Dollar General are like 7.77, and then the newer ones at Dollar General are like $9. So for me to get these for $6, y'all, that is something amazing. So that's why I said be on the lookout, and they are practically the older looking bottles. That's all it is, the older looking bottles. Now the flings, it is in a newer looking thing. Like these ones are the new packaging, but these are the older ones. And I got the original, what's it, the Moonlight Breeze, and the older Defense. But yeah, y'all, and that each one of these, it made them $5 a piece. So basically, I saved $1 on each one. Okay, y'all, let's get into the next transaction, and it's the last transaction. Okay, y'all, last transaction. I know I said laundry only, but hey, this does have laundry in it. But starting off with the Glade warmer, this item can be used as an add-in if you are short a couple of dollars. These are $3.15. We have $1.75 off, making it $1.40. These Tide Ultra Whites are on clearance. They are $8, and 2 of them at $16. Then the Downy dryer sheets are $6.30. We have $1 off, making them $5.30. The Mr. Clean was $4.20. We have $1 off, making it. The Airwick is $4.50. We have $3 coming off, making this just $1.50. So after all coupons came off and at 5 off 25, all of these items was $22.40, making each item $3.73, y'all. And that is not bad for these items that I got right here. And the Airwick and the Glade can be filler items, like if you short or whatever and you need one more item, throw in your Airwick or your Glade warmer and you will be good to go on a 5 off 25 scenario. Well, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.